lot number 3581C, 2003 SEADOO GTX-DI. Got a 951 DI direct injection engine in it. Starts, runs. We're parting this machine out. If you want to buy parts off this machine, call the number in the background, 218-844-4968. It's a Minnesota freshwater jet ski. It's complete. Pump, reverse gate, rear handle. Comes with learner key, normal key, MPEM test out good. I'll plug it in here. Start it up. As you can see, gauge has got 200 and, let's see here if I can pull it up, it's out of gas, 251.2 hours on this machine. Again, if you want to buy parts off this machine, call Mardo's Motorsports, 218-844-4968. The seats that are on the machine are over here. They're pretty faded, been recovered. Better than nothing. Thanks for stopping by.